Today is day 28 of learning latte art in my uni room, and I was pretty happy with today's, to be honest. My pull through at the end was nice. It was a bit messy, but it looks alright. I'm starting again to get it sort of bigger in the cup and more even, to be fair. It's just that end bit. Sort of shape at the top looks a bit random, so I need to start working out how to make that look more consistent. I've seen that people do little hearts at the top, so I might try doing that. But overall, I'm pretty happy. I need to try a Rosetta, but last time I tried that, it was a disaster. But hopefully now my milk's better, it'll be good. So yeah, follow to see that.